Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via CARS system. To play music from smartphone via CARS system, make sure that your smartphone is connected. Then go to Media and select Bluetooth. Now, on your smartphone, you can go to, for example, Spotify or YouTube Music and play anything you want. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.